Spaghetti carbonara. Welcome, everyone, let's discover together the spaghetti carbonara. Before we start the video, I invite you to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest news about nutrition, well-being, and typical dishes. Carbonara is a classic Italian pasta dish that originates from Rome. It's known for its simple yet delicious combination of ingredients: pasta, eggs, cheese, usually pecorino romano, guanciale, a type of Italian cured pork jowl, and black pepper. The result is a creamy and flavorful sauce that coats the pasta. Here's a brief overview of how carbonara is typically prepared. Ingredients. The key ingredients for carbonara are pasta, usually spaghetti or rigatoni, eggs, pecorino romano cheese, guanciale, or pancetta as an alternative, and black pepper. Cooking the pasta is cooked in boiling salted water until it's al dente, firm to the bite. It's important to reserve a cup of pasta cooking water before draining. Preparing the sauce. While the pasta is cooking, the sauce is prepared. Guanciale or pancetta is usually diced and cooked until crispy. The fat rendered from the meat serves as the base of the sauce. Mixing eggs and cheese. In a separate bowl, eggs are beaten, and grated pecorino romano cheese is added. The cheese adds saltiness to the dish, so additional salt is usually not needed. Combining everything. Once the pasta is cooked, it's added to the pan with the cooked guanciale, or pancetta. A bit of the reserved pasta cooking water is added to the pan, which helps create a creamy sauce by combining with the rendered fat. Tempering the eggs. The most crucial step is tempering the beaten eggs with the pasta. This involves adding a small amount of the egg and cheese mixture to the pasta while continuously tossing or stirring. This prevents the eggs from scrambling due to the heat. Creamy sauce formation. The tempered egg mixture is then poured over the pasta, and the heat from the pasta and the pan creates a creamy sauce as the eggs coat the pasta. The residual heat should be sufficient to cook the eggs without scrambling them. Seasoning. Freshly ground black pepper is added to the dish for flavor and a touch of spice. Serving. Carbonara is best enjoyed immediately after preparation. It's often served with extra grated pecorino romano cheese on top. Carbonara is a beloved dish both in Italy and around the world. Its creamy texture, rich flavors, and the simplicity of its ingredients have contributed to its popularity and enduring appeal. It's worth noting that there are many variations and debates about the authentic way to make carbonara, but the key elements of eggs, cheese, pork, and pasta remain consistent. Thank you for following us on this journey to discover the spaghetti carbonara.